हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए अंग्रेजी की एक कहानी लेकर आया हूं और इसके एक एक शब्द को हम पढ़ना सीखेंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। कहानी का नाम है द विग। डब्लू से बनता है वा, तो विग। वंस अपॉन आ टाइम देयर was a minister in a kingdom. As he grew old, he lost all his hair. He did not like his bald head. He felt quite embarrassed to go out. So, to avoid any embarrassment, he went to the market and bought a wig to cover his head. He chose a wig with thick black hair. He liked the wig a lot. He would often look at himself in the mirror and say, "How handsome I look with the wig." One day he went sailing with his friends. It was a very windy day. The minister and his friends were enjoying their boat ride. Suddenly, a strong gust of wind blew. The wind knocked off the minister's wig. When his friends saw him without the wig, they could not control their laughter. The minister आगे है felt very embarrassed, but later He too started laughing. He no longer felt ashamed of himself. Moral: one should accept oneself without being ashamed। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस प्रकार से वीडियो कंप्लीट होती है। वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आया है, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए। इस तरीके की और वीडियोस के लिए कमेंट कीजिएगा। वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद।